it's Kyla here, and today I'm doing a squishy. I just bought this squishy, so I'm showing you. I got it at Walmart, and it's like it just looks like a regular sandwich, and it's very squishy. It's not that slow rising, but I still like it. Guys, maybe on one of my videos, I want to see here how I can people I can break this. Today I'm eating it. It smells like PB&J. I just really like this. It's not like people probably watch a title of my video and they're like, why are you showing me a sandwich? But it's a squishy, guys, so so yeah. It's so slow rising, guys, and I really love it. So yeah. Basically, guys, yeah, that's my slime. I mean, that's my squishy. But here's my slime, guys. And I just got the stuff to make it, so I just made this slime. And it's like a dark purple again because I just like purple, and very nice consistency, and I really love it. And yeah, so see, squishy and slime. That's a new trend, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, guys, hopefully you like my squishy and my slime. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you tomorrow because it's every day, bro. Peace. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.